Hello dear learner, welcome back to the Zoom Chemistry Hub. Today in this video we will discuss and learn the most important terms used in analytical chemistry, that is molarity, molality and parts per million. So first we will take what is molarity. We can define the molarity as molarity is the number of moles of solute per decimeter cube of the solution. That is the formula. Number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in decimeter cube. For example, we have to prepare 1 molar solution of glucose in water. So, for making the 1 molar solution of glucose, we will take 180 gram of glucose. The 180 is the molar mass of glucose, molecular or molar mass of C6H12O6. For making 1 molar solution, we take the molar mass of any substance. So we will take the molar mass of glucose, that is 180, and we will dissolve in 1 liter of water. So it make 1 molar solution. We can dissolve 180 gram of glucose in 1 liter of H2O, 1 molar solution of glucose. Next is molality. What is molality? Molality is the number of moles of solute in 1000 gram of solvent. This is called molality. Here the formula of molality, that is molality is equal to the number of moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kilogram. And if we have to prepare the molar solution of glucose, we take 180 gram of glucose and we dissolve it in 1000 gram of water. And here the total mass of solution is 1180 gram. Here the 180 gram of glucose and 1000 gram of water, so the total mass of this molar solution is 1180 gram, 1180 gram. Molality is represented by small m. Next term is parts per million. It is represented by ppm, and we can define it as, it is defined as the number of parts by weight or by volume of a solute per million parts by weight or volume of the solution, and we can write it as parts per million is equal to mass of solute divided by mass of solution, and we multiply it with 10 raised to power 6. And this unit of concentration is used when the concentration of solution are very low, that is the amount of impurities of various substance in water. Similarly, if we want to express the amount of pollutant gas in the air, then the ppm is used. For example, we have to calculate the concentration of oxygen in seawater in parts per million. So we will take the mass of oxygen that is dissolved in seawater, that is 5.65 multiplied 10 raised to power minus 3 gram, and mass of water is 1 kg or 1000 gram, and we have to calculate the concentration of oxygen in parts per million in ppm. Parts per million is equal to mass of solute divided by mass of solution multiplied 10 raised to power 6. So we write here the mass of solute here, that is 5.65 multiply 10 raised to power minus 3 divided by mass of solution, that is the mass of water, that is 1000 gram, multiply by 10 raised to power 6, and we calculate the value, that is 5.65 ppm of the oxygen in 1000 gram of water. That's for all today, the learner. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and fellows. Thanks for watching.